Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here at the bottom, right here, you see this button. Now you need to slide this button, and when you slide it, push this cover up with the logo. Push this cover up and you'll be able to remove it. Now when you remove this cover with the logo over here, you see the inside here with the mechanical key. Now, to be able to remove also and the back cover, the side without the logo, here from the back, right here in the corner, right here, you see another button. Now you need to slide this button again, and when you slide it, this way you can push again and the back piece without the logo. So in the same way, slide this button here and push and the back piece, and you'll be able to remove it. Now when you remove it, turn the fob like this to this position, and here on the back you see this protection here above the battery. You see here open, here closed, and you need to rotate it to open. Now when you rotate this piece with the flat screwdriver, you'll be able to remove it. So insert here the tip of the flat screwdriver and remove it. When you remove it, right after that, here in this place, you see roll that battery. Now to remove the battery, take again your small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. When you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. This step here is very important. Now when you insert your new battery over here, take this piece again, place it back in its place over here, and this time you have to rotate it to the opposite direction to lock it. In the same way, insert the tip of the flat screwdriver here, rotate it to the side where you locked, and now take the back piece, this piece without the logo, align it perfectly here and snap them together. When you snap them together, rotate the fob like this to the front, the side with the mechanical key, and take the front piece, align it again here perfectly, and slide it down, just like in the beginning. And when you do that, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.